I'm Intan Maharani. In this video, I will sharing you about my final action subject English. Please like this video and enjoy the watching video until the end. Okay, before I starting in this video, I will sharing about the outline. The first, I will sharing about the introduction. The second, I will sharing about the project. The third, I sharing about my personal opinion. And the last but not least, I will sharing about the conclusion in this video. Hello everyone, I will share in the insight from an interview with a passionate English teacher. In this interview, we explored him journey, motivation, and strategies in the teaching English. Let's get started. Can you please introduce yourself and tell us a little about your background?
Hi, my name is Rusdi. I am a fresh graduate from English Education Department. I have a strong passion for teaching English, especially young learners. During my study, I have been partake some internship at elementary schools so that I have experience in classroom planning and lesson management.
How did you get started in teaching English and how long have you been teaching English?
My journey in teaching English started from my university years when I participate as a volunteer to teach English in rural areas. This experience, sparked my love to teaching, so that I pursue it as a career till now.
What motivated you to teach English to others?
I love seeing my students grow their confidence as they learn, and I helping them develop their learning skills and speaking ability. That's really makes me happy.
What teaching methods or strategies do you find most effective when teaching English?
Well, I prefer to use communicative and interactive approaches like, using games, song, storytelling, or role-playing activities. So to make the learning more engaging.
Do you use any technology or tools to enhance your lesson? If yes, how?
Yeah, sure. I do use digital apps like educational apps, videos, and interactive presentation for my teaching. For example, I use Kahoot for quizzes and YouTube for pronunciation practice as well.
What do you think are the biggest challenge for children when learning English?
I think one of the biggest challenges that I face till now is building confidence when they speaking, because young learners usually shy or afraid to make mistakes.
How do you think the demand for learning English has changed in recent years?
Well, nowadays, English is not seen only as tool of communication, but also skill for education and career opportunities, right? So because of that, I think the demand of learning English also increased significantly.
In your opinion, what are the most important skills to focus on when learning English?
I think the four skills of English, such as listening, writing, reading, and speaking, are all the same. They are important. But for young learners, I think that speaking and listening should be more priorities, because you know that those two skills build confidence for them. Then, speaking and listening also lay a strong foundation to basic communication in English.
The last, what advice would you give to someone who is just starting to learning English?
My advice, I don't know, practice maybe. Just practice as much as possible and don't afraid to make mistakes. You know, language learning is a journey, right? And the beauty of it lay in the progress. So just enjoy the process, right? And have fun.
Introduction. The first, let's get to know our interviewer. He is a fresh graduate with a degree in English education and a strong passion for teaching young learners. His journey began during university year when he volunteered experience to teach children in the rural areas. This experience inspired he to pursue teacher as a career. And now, let's talk about how do he work. The first, motivation. The second, method and challenges. And the third is advice. The first, about motivation. When I cared about what motivation to him to be a teacher, he experienced about volunteering to each children in the rural areas, inspired him to pursue teaching as a career. Seeing students gain confidence in English is truly rewarding for him, and he enjoy making lesson interactive and enjoying to that students have fun while learning. The second, about learning methods. Interviewee prefer interactive and communicative approach. Technology also plays a big role in him lesson. Regarding teaching method, in my interviewee prefer interactive and communication approach. Him use a games, song, storytelling, and real-life role-playing to help students connect with the language. Technology is also play a big role in him lesson. Him incorporate digital tools such as educational apps, YouTube videos, and interactive platforms like Kahoot to make learning more effective and enjoyable. Challenges. One of the biggest challenges for student learning English, according to him, is building confidence in speaking. One of the biggest challenges for students learning English, according to them, is building confidence in speaking. Many students feel shy or afraid of making mistakes. Pronunciation is other challenge, especially for some that are not present in their native language. Then, advices. The interviewee get me some advices for the learner to study English learning. The first, consistent practice. Listening and speaking should be prioritizing to learners. These skills help build confidence and lay a strong foundation for communication. Vocabulary and pronunciation should also be introduced early. The second, not being afraid of making mistakes. When asked for advice for English learner, him encourage consistent practice and not being afraid of making mistakes. him recommended immersing in English by listening to music, watching movies, and speaking as much as possible. Most importantly, they in him advice is enjoy the learning process. Personal opinion: the interviewee is truly passionate about teaching English. Using interactive methods and digital tools show him adaptability and commitment to modern education for learning English. He focused on building study and confidence in speaking. Conclusion. From this interview, we learn about the importance of interactive teaching, the role of technology, and the growing demand for English learning. We also get valuable advice for learners who are just starting their journey learning English. And that's my video about my final action project. Thank you for watching and see you the next video. Bye bye.